Hey guys, this is my review of these Moonray solar wedge lights. They come in a box like this. It says on the box that they have a turn on at dusk, so they're not on during the day. Batteries included. You get two in a box like this. And this is the unit itself. If I put my hand over it, you'll see it come on. So it's not a bright light. It's actually quite subtle and dim, which is what we wanted. If you want a bright solar light, then this light is probably not for you. If you take a look at it, it has on the back of it two holes here and here, which are used for mounting. So you just screw the two screws that come with it into the fence or the wall or wherever you want to put it, and you pop it on and it just sits there. I'll show you where I have mine mounted in a minute. There's a little switch on the back so you can turn it off if you don't want it coming on. I just leave them on all the time. You want to take a look inside, it looks like that, and you can see it's coming on because I'm in the house and it's starting to get dark outside. So that's what it looks like. And it's kind of a cool little unit. The solar cell is on the top there, so it charges all day and then comes on in the evening. So now I'm just going to take you outside to where I have these mounted on the fence, and I'll mount this one back. I'll show you how easy it is to mount it. There's my dog Nala. She's in for the evening, having a little rest. Hi, Nala. Okay, so here we go. We're going out the back door. We'll go out to the fence. And this is the fence along the side of my house. And I have these little units mounted along the fence here. I'm going to put this one back where it belongs, which is right where these two screws are right here. So I'll just put the camera there so you can see it. All I have to do is pop it onto the screws, press it down, and it's there. And you can see that it's almost dark here, but not quite. If I put my hand over it, I block the light sensor and it comes on. And I have them down here along the fence, so they give nice lighting all the way through the path to the backyard. I bought these lights for $14.99 at Rona in Canada. That's $14.99 Canadian dollars, so it's even less for our American viewers. And you get two in a box, so they're about $7.50 each, which is really a screaming deal. I expect the battery in this thing probably will last about a year, and then I'll have to replace it. But I mean, for $7.50 Canadian, who cares? I mean, that's just a little more than the cost of a cup of coffee at Starbucks. So I like these lights. They look nice, and they give nice subtle lighting. They seem to work well. I had one issue in that one of them that I bought 4 in total. One of them would not work. It sort of was intermittent. I don't know what was wrong with it. I just took it back to Rona. The next time I had to go to the store for something, Rona has a 90-day return policy. So I just got another box and replaced it. It was real simple. No issue at all. So I would give this product a positive review. I'd give it an 8 or 9 out of 10 for sure. And I would definitely recommend it. For the price, you can't really lose. Okay guys, thanks for watching and have a good day.